Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put text behind a subject using the colour page in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Here's our main clip and we want to put some text behind it. We go to the effects panel, add your text layer, put it on top of the video layer, trim it to fit, add your title text and customise the title as you wish, choosing your fonts, adjust the size and the scale. Once the text is adjusted, select the bottom video layer, hold down Alt and drag it above the text layer. This is going to be the layer that we add the cutout on. Now we go into the colour page. What we need to do on the nodes is right click, add alpha output and connect the blue of the node to the alpha output. This will allow us a transparent mask. Then select the magic mask tool. Make sure you've got the plus selected and then select your subject by clicking on it. We should start to see that it goes red. Just a quick note, if you don't see the red of the mask, you can toggle it on and off with this little button here. And that's looking pretty good. You can add a few more points just for precision. And what I tend to do with mine is I set this to better, because this gives you better quality, but it will take longer. Now you want to go track forward and backwards and give it a moment while it works out the mask. Now it's completed. You can go back to your edit page and we can now see that our text is behind, and then you can fine tune your text to make sure it's how you want it to look. And that's how you do masking with text in the background.